talking. I don't understand. See? He stole me.
Oh, okay.
Mommy, you came me. See? I told you everywhere.
That's not, you want to talk nice to Mommy now. You tell Mom.
See? I told you.
What?
I told you Mommy start.
Oh.
Mommy's starting.
Well, call Daddy.
Hmm?
Call Daddy, tell him hi for you.
Daddy, my mommy says it's to stop. Oh, man. You see? I told you, Daddy. I don't understand. Daddy, you came me and stuff. I don't understand. Daddy, I answer you. Okay. Who next? Me. Okay, Daddy. So, which one movies? Buddy. Get him movie? Yeah. But what's the other? Nope, no other. Okay. No torsos. Okay. Which one am I? I want castles. See, my daddy not answering too.
Why?
Because, yes. I don't want to learn anything about See?
What?
My daddy answering. Ain't no $50 and not answering.
Oh, you have to pretend though. You have to pretend he's answering. Because that phone really doesn't work, so you have to pretend. Okay?
I pretend. Yo.
Tell Daddy about Ho-Ho.
About Ho-Ho again, no instrument. No instrument, no about you. See? No instruments. I told you no instruments.
Oh, there's no internet.
No.
Hmm.
No toys.
Is he at .com?
Yeah. Like balloons. Right?
Oh, your balloons are at .com?
Yeah. Making wager. I'm making my balloons wager. Daddy, you get my balloons. Yeah. Get my balloons.
Okay, tell him thank you.
Thank you. Thank you for not answering. No. He said no answering.
Oh, no.
He said no thank you.
No what?
He said no thank you.
Oh.
You serious? No, Daddy. Wait. I can't press all for Daniel to wait. No.
Tell Daddy you want your party.
I want my party.
Be nice, KK.
I do a party.
Are you excited about your party?
Okay, I get a party. Okay. That's just my party.
Tell Daddy you love him and And see him later.
Daddy? Oh, my daddy.
What?
My daddy not answering anymore.
Oh no. Okay, maybe we can get him later, okay?